Another important aspects of insurance is regarding vehicle insurance. And as exactly vehicle insurance is means the basic personal auto insurance. It is mandated by most states and provides you with some financial protection in case of an accident. But is it enough? What are the options? So, auto insurance. Insurance is a contract between you and the insurance company that protects you against the financial loss in the event of an accident or theft. In exchange for your paying a premium, the insurance company agrees to pay your losses as outlined in your insurance policy. So, vehicle insurance or motor insurance refers to an insurance policy that provides coverage for four-wheelers, commercial vehicles like trucks, buses, etc., and two-wheelers. Vehicle insurance offers coverage against third party liabilities and accidental damages suffered by the insured vehicle due to accident, fire, natural calamities, and thefts. So, now we'll discuss the very types of vehicle insurance. So, there are mainly three types of motor insurance in India. So, the first one is regarding car insurance. It is an insurance policy that offers coverage against accidental damages or theft of the car or damages caused to the third party property or life due to the insured car. Buying a third party liability policy is mandatory as per law. However, for financial backup against damages to your car, you must opt for owner damage cover or a comprehensive car insurance policy. And as regarding the second type of motor vehicle insurance in India, are falling under bike or two-wheeler insurance, is an insurance policy that provides coverage for all types of two-wheelers like scooters, mopeds, bikes, sports bikes, etc. The insurance provides coverage against financial and legal liabilities such as accidental damages to the insured vehicle and damages to the third party property or injury, death of a third party caused due to the insured bike. Similar to car insurance, buying third party cover is mandatory and the own damage cover is optional. And the third type of motor or vehicle insurance in India is relating to commercial vehicle insurance. Is an insurance policy that covers commercial vehicles like trucks, buses, etc. The coverage is similar to car bike insurance. It covers accidental damages to the insured vehicle and third party liabilities. All commercial vehicles must have at least a third party liability policy to comply with the law. And now we'll discuss the various features and of vehicle insurance. So, in regards to motor vehicle insurance, comes within several key features. We found the following table explains the benefits and top features of purchasing vehicle insurance online. So, the first feature 24 into 7 access. The benefits that provided purchase and go for vehicle insurance renewal anytime and anywhere. And as regarding the second feature, that is convenient process where the benefits are forget form filling and tedious documents work. And the next feature, that is low premium. The benefit of this is online insures. Routes like Echo don't have any middleman, hence we can offer policies at low premium as they have a low operational cost. And the next feature in regards to motor vehicle insurance is that smooth processing and the benefits that we found online infrastructure helps digital fast insurance to issue policies, settle claims, and service policyholders in a hassle-free way. And the next feature that we found in connection to motor vehicle insurance, that is informed decision making, and the benefits following this feature is that all the necessary information is available on the website or mobile app. Also, since there are no intermediaries, policyholders can make informed decisions based on their needs. And another feature of motor vehicle insurance is that quick renewal. And the benefit that follows from this feature is that vehicle insurance renewal can be instantly done with the help of the website or through smartphone app. And the last feature of motor vehicle insurance is satisfying insurance experience. And the benefit that follows from this feature is that right from researching plans, buying them, renewing them, or making claims, online insurance is more convenient, time saving, and effective. So, these are the features and the very benefits that we derive. And now a question is that why vehicle insurance? So, the very question is that why should you buy vehicle insurance? and lines. So, here are the two reasons that we found to buy motor vehicle insurance online. One is third party liability coverage. Buying motor vehicle insurance provides you with third party liability coverage. It is the coverage that covers you against damages to third party property or injury or death of a third party caused due to your vehicle. The coverage saves you from legal hassles and financial losses. So also we go for vehicle insurance because it provides financial backup, such as if you adopt for an own damage or comprehensive vehicle insurance, you will get financial backup. If your vehicle suffers damages due to accidents, natural disasters, vehicle theft, and total loss, hence vehicle insurance can be your savior. If your vehicle is stolen or damaged significantly due to the reasons that already we have discussed above. And another reason that we go for vehicle insurance is that it provides personal accident cover. So buying a personal accident cover is mandatory when purchasing vehicle insurance. It provides coverage to the vehicle owner against accidental injuries or death. The personal accident cover provides the very coverage of up to IRS 15 lakh, and it can be your financial backup in case of accidental injury or disability. And besides that, we found those liabilities. And in regards to that liabilities, one is that relating to property, then physical and medical. So, auto insurance provide coverage first for property liability such as damage to or theft of your car or liability of your legal responsibility to others for bodily injury or property or damage. And as regarding medical, the cost of treating injuries, rehabilitation, and sometimes lost wages and funeral expenses. Basic personal auto insurance is mandated by most United States of American provinces, units, or states, and laws varies. Auto insurance coverage are priced individually to let you customize coverage amounts to suit your exact needs and target. Policies are generally issued for 6 months or 1 year time frames and are renewable. The insurance company sends a notice when it is time to renew the policy and pay your premium. So the question arises, who is covered by auto insurance and under what circumstances? Your auto policy will cover you and other family members on your policy, whether driving your car or someone else's car with their permission. Your policy also provides coverage if someone who is not on your policy is driving your car with your consent. So also your personal auto policy only covers personal driving, whether you are commuting to work, running errands, or taking a trip. It will not provide coverage if you use your car for commercial purposes. For instance, if you deliver pizzas, so personal auto insurance will also not provide coverage if you use your car to provide transportation to others through a ride sharing service such as in India we found being done by Uber. Some auto insurers, however, are now offering supplemental insurance products at additional cost that extended coverage for vehicle owners providing ride sharing services. And another question arises, is auto insurance coverage is mandatory? Auto insurance requirements vary from state to state. If you are financing a car, your lender may also have its own requirements. Nearly every state requires car owners to carry. So, one is bodily injury liability, which covers costs associated with injuries or death that you or another driver causes while driving your car. And also property damage liability, which reimburses others for damage that you or another driver operating your car causes to another vehicle or other property such as fence, building, or utility pole. In addition, many states require that you carry also medical payments or personal injury protection, which provides reimbursement for medical expenses for injuries to you or your passengers. It will also cover lost wages and other related expenses. And uninsured motorist coverage reimburses you when an accident is caused by a driver who does not have auto insurance, or in the case of a hit and run. You can also purchase under insured motorist coverage, which will cover cost when another driver lacks adequate coverage to pay the cost of a serious accident. So while most basic legally mandated auto insurance covers the damage your car causes, it does not cover damage to your own car. To cover your own car, you should consider these following optional coverages such as collision reimburses you for damage to your car that occurs as a result of a collision with another vehicle or other object, for example, a tree or a which when you are at fault, while collision coverage will not reimburse you for mechanical failure or normal wear and tear on your car. It will cover damage from Potholes are from rolling air car. Also, comprehensive provides coverage against theft and damage caused by an accident other than a collision, such as fire, flood, vandalism, hailstorm, falling rocks or trees and other hazards, even getting hit by an asteroid. And finally, glass coverage under the auto insurance provides coverage from windshield damage, which is common. Some auto policies includes non-deductible glass coverage, which also includes side windows, rear windows, and glass sunroofs, or you can buy supplemental glass coverage. So the question is that what is gap insurance and how far one need it? Collision and a comprehensive only cover the market value of your car, not what you paid for it. And new cars depreciate quickly. If your car is total or stolen, there may be a gap between what you owe on the vehicle and your insurance coverage. To cover this, you may want to look into the purchasing gap insurance to pay the difference. Note that for leased vehicles, gap coverage is usually rolled into your lease payments. So, all that we have discussed regarding vehicle insurance. So, as such, we have discussed about the motor vehicle insurance and the various different kinds of vehicles which are falling under vehicle insurance and the very features and why vehicle insurance and those liabilities regarding damages loss done to property or any physical damage and loss, and also the medical consequences following from vehicle accidents or damages either caused by natural calamities or by any driver you have engaged in your motor vehicle. So, almost we have completed vehicle insurance as such in reference to India. But we have not discussed about the Motor Vehicle Act of 1988 and which was amended in 2019, and also we have not dealt with the motor accident claim tribunals and all such as the provisions relating to Motor Vehicle Act of 1988 and the subsequent amendments up to 2019, and also the very relevant jurisdiction and scope of motor accident claim tribunals that we would like to discuss in our upcoming lectures, as because we would like to also discuss all those relevant important cases relating to life insurance, fire insurance, marine insurance. So, in that context, also We would like to discuss all those relevant provisions of Motor Vehicle Act of 1988 and subsequently amended as up to 2019 and the scope and jurisdiction of motor accident claim tribunals in our upcoming lectures.